Today we're making a popular street food. It can be served as a snack over Chinese New Year. Sesame rice balls. It's often made with red bean paste inside that you might be able to find at a Chinese buffet restaurant. The first step of the recipe is to make a rice dough. Simply mix sticky rice flour with sugar water mixture. Knead the dough until smooth. Drizzle some cooking oil. Continue to knead the dough until the oil is fully mixed in. Rest for 30 minutes. In terms of sesame seeds, it's best to use unroasted ones. I also used black sesame seeds just to try it out. Once we transfer the dough onto the chopping board, roll it out into a long log. Cut into small, even-sized doughs. Roll each dough out into a round ball. Dip the round ball into the sesame seeds. Make sure it's fully covered. Just like that. Super easy, right? Once the oil reaches at least 300 Fahrenheit, turn down to low heat, adding sesame seeds to deep fry. After a few minutes, they start to float. This is when you need to press them down a few times. This is how they would get hollow and fluffy inside. Once golden brown, remove to drain. There you have it. My full recipe is in the bio link. If you like sticky rice, give it a try. Thank you for watching. Have fun cooking.